Hi to all my friends who are watching this video. I am Mahesh Thokcham. I will be teaching you the next economy. What is the next economy? To be rich, it is reputation data. But to understand the reputation data, we need to also understand what is data. And the subject of data is what we call data science. Yeah. So I will not go too much of technical, but I would be going into the basics where any common lay person can understand. I will not use too many mathematics or computer science jargon. I will simplify and any topics or any subject related with data science in a very simplified learning. Okay, so today I would like to talk about what is data and information. And all of us, I know, we are all familiar what is data and what is information. But if I ask you, can you define me what is data and information, or can you differentiate between data and information? I'm sure each one of you who are watching this video must be trying to differentiate but not getting the correct answer. I'm sure if I ask you, if you were live or if you were offline in the meeting with me, and if I say that, can you differentiate between data and information? You may not give the correct answer. And some of my own experience in my offline classes, when I ask my students, can you define me or differentiate between data and information? They would say data is something, a record, or information is also a data. People are not able to give the exact meaning. That's why, in the computer science, now data has become the major essential resource. So without data, we cannot execute any of these powerful computing machines, So this is what, from the first generation of computers, data has been able to, it is more like a food to the human, and the human also evolved with time. So the computer also evolved with time. When we feed, good powerful data. So this is what I want to talk. And coming back to my today's topic, the difference between data and information. So data I would define, as raw, the raw facts, raw numbers, raw alphabets, raw, which is unprocessed in the sense which we have not done any of those mathematical process or any of the grammatical, we have not applied any of the grammatical rules. That is unprocessed. So whatever that raw, the raw numbers or raw facts, it is called data. And when we do some process, apply some rules, a grammatical rule or a mathematical rule on the data, and it becomes a very meaningful result, that becomes an information. So let me just take an example. I say my BIT, computer science. So people will not make sense. So if I put some grammatical rules, my name is Mahesh and I studied in BIT Engineering College, Bangalore. So that becomes a statement, and that statement is making sense. It becomes a meaningful, which human can understand. So that is an information. So that's what the computer has been doing for so many years. We feed data to the computers, and that the computers accepts and processes the data, and it gives a meaningful result which is known as an information. But I'm going to go very deep, what exactly the computers are doing with this data, and why new emerging technologies, what we hear in our news today, like artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchain technology, IoT, so many driverless cars and social medias, how they have become so popular is because of data. Yeah, now we have become a data rich world. Every seconds the data are releasing in millions and millions. Yeah, so everyone on the earth has come on this computers. It has globalized with our smartphones, with our desktops, with our tabloids. So data has to become and utilized, and to make something out of the data is what we call big data or data science. When we make something some useful which can derive from this data, this is what we're going to study in data science, right? So today what is data and information. That is the basic topic which I wanted to share on this particular video. Thank you so much.